Hello, and what is your name?
Aariza.
Chef Aariza, what are you making?
Pasta.
Pasta? What are you going to do?
So first I need to open the bag and then I'm going to pour it into the pot with hot boiling water.
And you got to be careful, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and cut it. There you go. Be careful putting it in there. Awesome job. Okay, you're going to do 2 bags?
Yes.
All right.
Be careful with the scissors.
Yeah, be careful with the scissors. Okay. And how long have you been a chef?
Since I was
4?
4.
Oh, wow. Okay. Pour it in there. Okay, now let's move everything away from the stove. And then Grandma will finish the rest, okay?
Okay.